install vertical blinds above the sliding glass door. So what we're gonna do today, keep going? Sure, go ahead. What we're gonna do today is we pulled out the instructions like Rachel said. We're gonna install these vertical blinds. However, our instructions don't tell us how high to hang each of these brackets. There's 3 of them in the box. So what we're gonna do to find out how tall we wanna put our blind bracket, we're gonna measure the blind itself.
What does that come to, Sarah?
Well, that comes, Rachel, to 82 3/8
Of what, an inch?
So then what we're gonna do is we don't wanna miscalculate, so we wanna account for.
What are you measuring there, Sarah? Well, Rachel, what do you call this? It's a balance, based upon what the instructions said.
All right, so our balance shows like it's gonna be 2. We're just gonna round
Don't
up to
forget
2.
your mounting bracket.
We're gonna round up to 2.5 inches. So we got 82 3/8 plus 2.5.
Very good. That
Very
is
84.5.
Need a calculator.
plus your 3/8.
We'll just round.
85.
We'll just round up to 85. So now we're gonna measure from here.
Let me hold the dummy one for you.
So we said 85. Boom. So that's where we want the bottom of our bracket, right?
Very good, yes. If you don't have a stud, you'll want to drill a bigger hole and then use anchor bolts, which look like this, and then put your screw into those. We're going to drive the anchor bolt in with our hammer. Another screw. Here you go. All right. And you're just screwing it in.
What you want to do is make sure your clips are either snug or a little secure, and they're all about even, all 3 of them. And then all you're going to do is there's a little lip on this, you're going to connect it like so, and you're going to push it up. With that,
Snap it in.
snap, and snap it in.
Wow.
Now you're ready. You're ready to put your lattices up.
Just clip it in there. Wow,
Clip
that's
it in.
pretty good.
You want to make sure they're facing the same direction.
Oh, because they kind of have a curvature to them, don't they?
They do.
Huh.
You see that curve?
See that curve?
One and
Oh, sure is looking good.
All you do is take the last one and pop it in.
Oh.
Is we are going to connect this piece to the balance and then the balance to the headboard. So all you do is slide that in like so. Slide it down about 8 to 10 inches. This eyeball. There you have it. I'd say that's installed.
looks good.
There you have it, vertical blinds. Show us how they work.
Ah.
Open. Open. Wow. Open. And then close.
Ta-da!